In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable iMessage on your iPhone 11. iMessage is a great way to keep in touch with friends and family using Apple's messaging service, and setting it up is really straightforward once you know how. So let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to grab your iPhone 11 and unlock it. Now let's find the Settings app, which is the handy little gear icon you should be familiar with. Tap on it to open the app and you'll find yourself on the main settings screen where you can adjust pretty much anything about your iPhone. Now once you're inside the settings, look for the section labelled Apps. Here you'll see a bunch of different apps and services you can configure on your phone. Go ahead and tap on Apps to get a list of all the applications. We're interested in the Messages app, which should be sitting there in the list. Scroll down until you see the option labelled Messages. A quick tip, the apps are generally ordered alphabetically, so that should help you find it a bit faster. Once you've found Messages, tap on it to dive into the settings specific to this app. This is where we actually make the magic happen with enabling iMessage. Look for the iMessage option. Next to it you'll see a little switch. This is what you're going to use to turn iMessage on. If it's currently off, which means the switch isn't green, give it a tap. You should see it change to green, indicating that it's now turned on. It's important to know that iMessage requires an internet connection to activate. So whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or using your mobile data, make sure that your internet is up and running. Once you've toggled iMessage to be on, your device will need a little bit of time to complete the activation process. This shouldn't take too long, but sometimes it might be a few minutes, so a little patience goes a long way here. Congratulations, you've now successfully enabled iMessage on your iPhone 11. You're all set to start sending and receiving messages through Apple's messaging service. Whether you're sharing photos, videos, or just a quick text, iMessage makes it a seamless experience. Once activated, you should be able to enjoy all the features that come with it, like message effects, group chats, and more. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're feeling confident about getting your iMessage up and running. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, enjoy messaging your friends and family the Apple way.